In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up to your Squarespace site. Getting started with your own newsletter is a great way to engage with your audience, keep them updated on your latest content, and expand your reach. So let's dive in and take a look at the step-by-step process to set this up. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking at the familiar interface where all your site edits and customizations happen. It's important to know that this is where you can manage all aspects of your site, so feel free to explore other options later for more tweaks and customizations. Now, what you want to do next is click on Add Block. Blocks are essentially the building components of your Squarespace page. They let you add all sorts of functionalities ranging from images to text, and in our case, a newsletter sign-up form. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with a menu of different options of what you can add. When you're in this menu, look for and select the Newsletter option. This will let you integrate a sign-up form directly onto your page. The newsletter block is essential because it collects emails from visitors who are interested in subscribing, and you will then be able to keep them looped in with what's new on your site. After placing your newsletter block on the page, a good next step is to click Edit. This brings us to the icing on the cake, personalizing your sign-up form to align with the theme and tone of your website. In the Edit screen, you'll want to first click on Content. Here, you can modify the text fields and tweak the messaging of your call to action. It's crucial to have compelling content in your sign-up form to clearly communicate the value your subscribers will get, whether it's exclusive updates, tips, or insights. Once you're happy with the content, it's time to jazz up the design. So go ahead and click on Design. Squarespace offers various style options, so spend some time choosing the design that best matches your brand's aesthetic. You can alter colors, typography, and the overall layout to ensure it looks inviting and professional. Following the design, the next thing to do is select Storage. This is an important part because it's where you'll decide where all those collected email addresses will go. Squarespace allows for easy integration with popular email marketing services, or you can simply store them in a Google Sheet. Choose the option that works best for managing your email lists efficiently. Finally, when you've made all the customizations and ensured everything is to your liking, hit Save. This saves your changes and voila, your newsletter sign-up form is now live on your site. Be sure to test it out to confirm everything is working perfectly. There you have it. Setting up a newsletter sign-up on Squarespace is as simple as that. Remember, capturing emails is just the first step. Maintaining a regular schedule of quality content is key to keeping your subscribers in contacts. Thank you for watching and happy designing.